This is we're currently on Goat Island at Niagara Falls State Park, and there's several things here. This happens to be what remains of a power station that was originally built in 1898. Cave of the Winds is also here, and we'll be touring that shortly. And there's also a statue down the ways a bit of Tesla, because they think a lot about Tesla in regards to electricity and his findings with electricity and how that works.
No, Skylar ate your shit. Yeah, and then she got up and ate. I just ate a little box. She only ate one box. So
We probably in it bleed forever because I even bleed.
Currently inside the expedition area before the tour of the Cave of the Winds. We're going to actually go into a movie. And there's jam-packed information in regards to the history of the building of the canal, or I'm sorry, Niagara Falls, not the building, but how things work. And it also talks about the hydropower that's being generated. And actually, the hydropower is being generated quite a ways away from here. Both Canada and the United States pull water from the Niagara River, and they both have reservoirs. Way down on this other side, way down there, is a reservoir for the United States, and that's actually where the power is generated. It is taken out of, the water is channeled on underground pipes out of the Niagara River all the way. So here that line there represents the pipeline that goes to the reservoir, and at that point that's where the power is generated. Canada has a very similar type situation as well.
Okay.